In the shadows where I roam, searching for a place called home, a whisper calls me from the night, guiding me towards the light. With open hands I dare to dream, chasing echoes, chasing gleam. Through the darkness I will fight, holding on with all my might. Every moment feels so right, the dawn is breaking, shining bright. I reach for the light in the silence of the night. With every heartbeat I will rise. No more fears, no more goodbyes. I'm alive, I'm alive. In the warmth I will thrive. Through the storms I've walked alone, but in my heart I've always known that hope will carry me away to brighter skies, a brand new day. So take my hand, don't